It's in California, so we're going to stop up here to pilot, fill up with diesel, make sure we got enough to get there and get back without having to pay any taxes to the governor of California. Okay, we're heading out today to Joshua Tree National Monument, which is, or National Park, which is, if the GPS had ever shut up, it's in California, so we're going to stop up here to pilot, fill up with diesel, make sure we got enough to get there and get back without having to pay any taxes to the governor of California. So, here we go. Okay, we're in like a pit stop here at the summit on I-10 before we go down into India. We're stopping here, take a break before we get into Joshua Tree because we're kind of a little bit early, but they say it'll open up about 45 minutes. So hi, dear. So we're here just taking a break and getting some bathroom time and some gum and different stuff. So pretty cool place though. Chevron station here, you got a coffee shop and antiques. Pretty slick. There's also a patent museum down here. We may have to take a look at it if we get a chance. But I don't think we got enough time to go through all that. In fact, it's not open yet anyway, so we'll try to probably get it as we drive by it. But I think it's only about another 5 or 6, 10 miles maybe to Joshua Tree. So we'll be heading out here in just a little bit. Talk to y'all later.
Right smack dab in the sun.
Yeah. Oh, we're here at Joshua Tree trying to take a selfie. Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well.
This is Joshua Tree Visitor Center. Okay, I don't know if you can see, I'm looking right at the sun, so maybe if I get close enough. This is Joshua Tree. Entrance fees $25. Of course, we have the America Beautiful Pass because we're old codgers, so it didn't cost us a dime. That's the best part. But this is the visitor center, which is on the south side, and we're going to be driving north through the park. So I'll get back to you then. Okay. This is a cholla cactus garden here in Joshua Tree. These things are nasty. If you'll notice all the heads on the ground from them, they let go and roll around. And in the wind, you can get them on you. You get too close to them, they'll jump off at you. It's the static, I think. There's a cluster down there, isn't there? This place is amazing. This place is wild. I mean, so many cactus all close together like that. It doesn't really go on for miles, but it's a big area. Maybe they like each other. Don't know. It's pretty cool though. Careful. It's so quiet out here. And for once I don't have to worry about the wind. Just amazing. You gotta be careful not to get too close to him. This one's budded out. It's got buds on it. See him? Yeah, when they die, they just collapse, don't they? You want to reach out and touch them, but you don't. You want to reach out and touch them, but you better not. It's amazing. This place, I don't know. It's hard to describe. Yeah, it's almost as far as you can see back there. We're up on a little hill. It just seems to go on forever. Guess you need to heed that warning. This cactus is hazardous. Do not touch for your own safety and the protection of the resource. Travel is restricted to the trail. No pets. And apparently people do touch it because there's a first aid kit. Just in case you do. So look at the size of that boulder. Still, quiet. Every once in a while I hear a bird chirp or a car. Probably. There are people driving up there. There's campsites up there. Okay, everybody, we're going to close out this Joshua Tree National Park video with just a little bit of weirdness. We were on our way back to Parker when we came out of the north side of the park, and we're going down a 2-lane road, and we came across this, and we had to pull over and see what was going on. And apparently it used to be a house or some building that had burnt there, but the fence was still there. So people have thrown, hung, tossed whatever, their shoes out there. There's all kinds of shoes up and down this fence. There's some fairly new looking shoes, and there's some old ratty looking shoes, but it's mostly pairs. It's not just like one shoe, it's like pairs. And you know why? Who? Don't know. Strange? Yeah. So a little bit of weirdness to end this video. There was even a pair of motorcycle boots. You see them there. They looked fairly new, and they were, you know, like stuck on sticks in the sand. I don't know. Anyway, it was on the way back to Parker, I think Route 62, where it goes into Parker, Arizona. So we'll close this down now, guys, and look forward to the next video. It's coming along. And down the road we go. We'll get back to you later. Thanks for watching.